another video from Q12of Solutions. You're watching the support videos for the British International Distance College Mathematics module. We've been covering the different assignment questions for assignment number 2. Please consider liking the videos and subscribing to the channel, and we'll keep creating more content to help you. If you are on Instagram and Twitter, please consider following us, and let's continue. The last question we completed was question number 11. We still have more questions to complete, so let's start with question number 12. Question number 12 states, solve the inequality. So we've been given an inequality where we need to solve for x, and you've got terms on both sides of the inequality sign. There are two parts to this question, so let's first look at part A. Part A is 5 minus 2x over 3 greater than 1 over 2 plus 4 over x. Sorry, not 4 over x, x over 4. Right, just to double check, we've got 5 minus 2x over 3 greater than 1 over 2 plus x over 4. That's better. And now we need to solve the inequality. Great. So we've written down the equation, the equation for the question in terms of this being an inequality, so having a range of answers. We are now going to be doing the maths. I first need to get rid of the denominators. So in order to get rid of the denominators, I need a common denominator that all of these numbers go into. I've got 2, 3, and 4. 12 would be a common denominator for all of them. So I'm going to literally times everything here by 12 over 1, and I'm going to times everything here by 12 over 1. Because if I do so, I'm going to eliminate all those denominators. So the next step is then going to have 5 times 12 is 60. 12 cancels with a 3, so I'll have a 4 at the top. 4 times 2 is 8. Then on the right, I'm timesing everything by 12. So I'll cancel the 2 with the 12, which is 6. Plus, I'll cancel the 4 with the 12, which is 3. So 3x. And there we go. Now I've eliminated the denominators. All I need to do now is take the variables to one side. So I'm going to leave the 8x there, and I'm going to subtract a further 3x greater than 6 minus 60. And that's going to give me negative 11x. Greater than 6 minus 60. 6 minus 60 gives you minus 54, minus 54. And the next step would then be to divide by negative 11. When I divide by negative 11, the sign swaps around. So x will be less than or equal to, now we'll have 54 over 11, and we've now solved the inequality. We've got a system where x can be less than 54 over 11. You could change 54 over 11 to a number if you want to, and that'll be 4.090909 recurring. It's up to you. I'm going to leave it as is, and that was the solving of the inequality. That was A. Now let's have a look at B. Question 12b says, list the positive integers which satisfy the inequality. So now we've got the same inequality, but we're looking at the positive integers. So we need to go back and we need to look at this. X less than 54 over 11. So x less than 54 over 11. I would suggest it is a good idea now to actually calculate what 54 over 11 is, which we now know is, I need to quickly rub this out, that's not the right sign. This is the right sign. And then we get 4,9090 recurring. So the question said, list the positive integers, an integer would be a number greater, well, any number really, positive or negative, but it's a whole number. So 1 would be an integer. So if I'm looking at the time frame, I'll have 0 here, and then I've got the 4 comma 90 dot dot dot. I'm looking for the integers that are in between here. So 1 is positive, 2 is positive, 3 is positive, and 4 is positive because it's 4 comma 9. So the positive integers here would be from 0 to 4.9. Okay, remember they said positive integers, so I don't want negative integers, would therefore be this. The 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. There would be 4 positive integers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those would be the positive integers for that particular inequality. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment below. And if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button, and we'll keep creating more content to help you.